Hi Raisha. Assalamualaikum.
Salam. So I'm Raisha, and this is my mom Sarah.
Hi.
And we're from Minah Cheeze. So today we are at the beach right now, and my brothers are playing volleyball, and my dad is playing volleyball. And I'm here in towels because I just went into the ocean to swim, and I'm kind of cold. And yeah.
So I bet you're feeling hungry, Raisha. So you nak makan apa? You nak makan apa? Nak makan apa?
I know. I want to eat katsu chicken.
Yeah, you like rice, eh? Raisha suka sangat makan nasi, Okay. Alright, so you nak buat katsu chicken?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to teach everyone how to make katsu chicken? Yeah?
Yep. And katsu chicken was popular in Japan, and it's basically like a chicken covered with panko crumbs, and you fry it, and we chop them up into strips, and then we take some rice, any rice, and then we make some curry gravy and put it on the rice and on the chicken, and it's really yummy. You should try it. And yeah.
Alright, so before we go to the video, Mama wants to show our viewers this colourful huts. Okay? Alright, so colourful, beautiful huts near the beach. Okay? So, alright, Raisha. So, where are we heading now? To the left or to the right?
To the left.
Alright, to the beach.
Ocean.
Alright. Okay, before we start knocking the chicken, we need to cut the chicken breast horizontally into two, okay? So, the first half of the breast, you will need to
whack it with this hammer or something.
A wooden hammer, is it?
Yeah, under some plastic, or you can just use like a plastic bag.
Whack it until it's slightly thinner, you know? Okay, so that's ready.
Now
Next,
we're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper for seasoning.
Yeah, to have it a little bit more taste, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put salt and
pepper.
Both sides, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna put that and then prepare the breadcrumbs.
We use panko and
golden
breadcrumbs, but you can just use one of these, or can you
So mix everything together.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you're gonna toss your first breast into some flour.
Yeah, plain flour.
Yeah.
Alright. And then next, drench it in the
egg wash.
Good.
Yeah.
Both sides again. And then drop it on the
breadcrumbs.
Okay, make sure you coat the chicken with the breadcrumbs both sides. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
To make sure they're extra crispy.
Oh, okay.
And then you're going to lay it on some parchment paper on tray.
And then continue doing the rest of the chicken breast.
Yeah.
Okay, Raisha. So now we're going to prepare the
curry sauce.
Okay. So we've prepared the ginger garlic. We have sliced it, and also bay leaf in the small pot. Now Raisha is going to show you how to chop the
onion.
So how was it, Raisha?
It was good, but I cried a bit because of the onion.
Okay, so now we're going to add in
your vegetable oil
and the rest of the ingredients like ginger, garlic, onions and bay leaf. And don't forget to add in your
curry powder.
Okay.
We didn't show you, but we did.
Alright, so add in everything.
Yeah.
And add in your powder later, okay?
Yeah, when the onion is very soft.
So this is going to smell good. Alright, next we're going to
Next,
add
you're
in
gonna add
the
your flour.
Okay.
Yep, and just whisk that all in until it's like a paste, right?
Yeah. We're gonna mix that one. It's going to thicken. It's going to be like a paste. You're right, Raisha.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add in
your water very slowly.
yeah, gradually,
big
and
mess.
then mix, and then add, and then mix
and then add and
until all the water
yeah.
is inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just whisk it all up
Okay.
again. You can take the water and take it, and when you're whisking, you can add in it as well.
Oh yeah, that's right. Add in slowly so that everything is cooked nicely.
Yeah.
You know? Okay.
And you're gonna do this until like it's a soupy gravy.
Until it's thickened, like a gravy, like a
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
now you're gonna add your pepper and salt.
yeah.
I forgot to pinch it because I just added it all in. But you can pinch it or you can just add
Taste
it all
it first and then add it. Add
Yeah.
in if you think you need to add in more. Okay, mix it until everything bubbles, and then don't
And
forget to add in a little bit sweetener, which is the
honey. You can use maple syrup
or normal sugar.
Or normal sugar.
Okay, I
or
think that's
simple
done. Whisk
Yep.
it again.
Whisk it.
Yeah, I think it's almost done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
You're gonna fry up your chicken.
Yes, I can't wait to see the beautiful golden chicken,
And this is me
golden brown.
putting on the chicken.
Yeah, you're gonna fry the chicken,
Yeah.
right? Wow,
And
that's
this is
nice.
also me flipping the chicken. I was kind of scared because there was
Well, you're doing good. You're doing
Yeah.
good.
because there's like bubbles up.
Oh yeah,
it
just
popped
need to
on
be
me.
careful when
Yeah.
you fry anything in a hot oil.
And this is my mom doing it
Okay, yeah.
because I was too scared.
Okay, that's almost done. The first 2 pieces, right?
Yeah.
And then the
We
next
have
one.
I think we have like 4 left in our bowl.
Okay. All right. That's good. Ooh, can't wait.
Oh, they look so
it looks
yummy,
crispy.
crispy.
Oh, it's done. So we presented it like this.
And remember to put your rice with it.
Yeah, you just cut a sliced chicken breast and then put it on the rice, and don't forget to
To
add
add the sauce.
yeah, and then indulge.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Okay, assalamualaikum guys. I'm back in the video.
And
Yeah.
and I hope you guys enjoyed listening and making our recipe for katsu chicken. And if you did make this dish, remember to tag us so we can see it.
Right, and
Yeah.
if you have any feedbacks and comments,
Just
please write down.
down below in the
Below.
comments box.
Okay, so I hope to see all of you next week and with our new recipe video.
Yeah.
So inshallah we'll see you again. Okay, jumpa
Bye.
lagi. Bye.